Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report starting with the front right wheel. Do have a little gash there, a couple scratches. Here on the fender, we have one small rock chip. And of course, you're going to have some little rock impacts and chips in this section. But otherwise, that fender is really clean. Here on the side mirror, a couple tiny rock chips and a few scuffs. That door looks good. You do have rock impacts right here. A little scratch and some rock impacts on that lower rocker. Got a few scuffs on the door handle area. Got a scuff there, a scuff there. They're all very minor. And then looking at this wheel, you're gonna have the little rock impacts, a couple scuffs, but otherwise looks pretty good. Here on the front end, these headlights look really good. Very clear. You're gonna have a couple rock impacts and a few chips. This is a little bit larger. Got two up there. A couple right there. That headlight looks good. You have some rock impacts here. And looking on the lower side, you can see these upgraded curb rash pieces here that they added to protect that bumper. Looks really good. Now it does have some previous curb rash, but otherwise, it looks really good. You can see the fog light lens is nice and clear. Overall, that front bumper looks really good. Here on the front left wheel, we have a little bit of curb rash there. A little spot here. Here on the fender, that looks really good. You have a couple rock chips, a little gash. Got a small chip right there, a little scuff. Got a rock chip here, chip on the edge. Couple gashes on the wheel, a few little rock chips here and there, but otherwise, this side is really clean. And checking out the engine bay, looks awesome, very clean. I believe it is bone stock. The only upgrade on this car is the mufflers. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker, and it is really, really nice. You got the carbon overlay here. All these buttons look good. Kick plate area has a few scuffs. A little scratch here. A little bit of wear right there. And you have a repair spot here. But the rest of that seat looks good. You got the carbon insert right here. That looks good. Steering wheel has a few tiny scuffs, but otherwise that is in really good condition. The radio screen is clean. You got the carbon overlay on the shifter. All of this stuff works perfect. This is a really, really nice car. It is a convertible and it's a manual fold. So you just push this little button in here, pop this up, and then you just pull the top out. And it will go here and latch. So it is not power, but it's actually a pretty easy process. Here on the interior, this side looks really nice. Kick plate area is clean. Got the C6 floor mats. That bolster looks good. Got a tiny scuff right there. Very minor. The rest of that seat looks amazing. This side of the console's clean. That e-brake has a nice matte finish to it. The rest of this looks really, really good.